one-footed phoenix. I am a person that likes to set goals that feel achievable to me. When I'm able to achieve a goal, it makes me feel like I can provide myself with value in the world, but it also gives me a sense of accomplishment, like I'm moving forward. As you get ready to set your goals for the new year as an amputee, as a wheelchair user, as someone just with a disability in general, I wanted to provide you guys with some tips and tricks that could help you out in your goal setting. So this year, one of the main goals that I had for myself was to reach 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. And the reason why reaching 1,000 subscribers was so important to me was not so much about gaining numbers, but it was more about having an audience and growing my channel into something that could become my business, and then turning that wanting to help people into something that can sustain my life for the rest of my life. So my goal with YouTube is actually a really good example of a goal for a disabled person and how I was able to achieve that goal through smaller goals throughout the year that were benchmarks towards the bigger goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers. And I really did have to pace myself throughout the year as I was making content, as I was dedicating time to building out the YouTube channel. And I had to also pace myself in the fact of, like, you know, sometimes I'm not going to be able to make a video, and it's okay if my health doesn't allow me to make a video. You know, like, I always try to post something if I don't get a video out, but I also had to realize, like, hey, it's okay if I can't get a video out every week, but I do try to be pretty consistent in my schedule of posting as much as I can. Today's video is sponsored by Therapy. They are the company that actually sent me this shirt. They're also the same company that does the vibration device for amputees to help them with phantom pain. I use my device quite frequently, and it does help a lot with the phantom pain, especially those like really bad zaps. It helps to bring those down. You can get your own shirt just like this one that talks about phantom pain and phantom itching on Theravy's website. Go to therapy.me, and you can even try using my discount code AmandaE10. I'm not sure if it will work for the shirts, but hey, give it a go. Always remember that it is best to not compare yourself to others, especially like even others with your same conditions. You know, even within the same condition, there can be people of different functionality levels within the same condition. And someone that you see online, like, you're just seeing the best of their life, and you're really not seeing all the struggles that it took to get there. And so please do try to not compare yourself to others. Even small progress is still progress towards your goals. For example, you don't get to 1,000 subscribers without starting at 1 subscriber. And so that incremental growth that slowly happens over time, that is still progress and still moving you forward towards what you want. I also like to create goals related to my spirituality, related to my mental health, and as well as my physical health. So something that I might do to set a goal for my spirituality is to say, like, hey, I want to pray more, and then I also want to give myself time and space to listen to what God's will is for me. And so I might set some reminders on my phone to help me remember, like, hey, it's time to take time to pray or to meditate or whatever it is. Another thing that I like to do is to write down all of my goals in my journal where I can see them, and also where I can go back and refer to them throughout the year. I also make a vision board, which is just a bunch of pictures that I've put together that kind of tell about my goals. So this is the last little like vision board that I made. Sorry, there's a glare because of the light in this room. But these are all pictures related to my goals. Some are like related to my spiritual goals, some are related to physical goals, some are related to goals regarding my business or education. And this is just a good reminder of things that I want to work on throughout the year. So to conclude, let's get out there and make some goals. And you can tell us in the comments below what some of your goals are and how you plan to achieve them this coming year. And I hope that you guys have an amazing Happy New Year, and that everyone is able to make some goals for themselves that they feel like are going to be achievable and doable this year. If you would like to see another One-Footed Phoenix video, click over here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching! Bye!